Mr. Wood, who is your next witness?
Judge Spencer Rammel for the state.
Mr. Rammel, who's your next witness?
The state would call Lieutenant Joe Powell.
Did you say lieutenant?
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you. Lieutenant Powell, if you'll please stand here in front of the witness stand, raise your right arm and face the clerk.
You solemnly swear or affirm the testimony about the being cause that opinion, you can treat the whole truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes.
Thank you.
Lieutenant Powell, you can be seated there at the witness stand. You can remove your mask. If you'll please point that microphone right at your chin. Make sure that you wait for the question to be answered before you answer. That'll make sure we're making a clear record. Mr. Rammel, you may inquire when you're ready.
Thank you, Judge. Can I have you state your name and spell your full name for the record, please?
Joseph Rick Powell,
Where are you employed?
Fremont County Sheriff's Office,
And how long have you been employed at Fremont County Sheriff's Office?
18 years.
And how long in law enforcement overall?
18 years.
And are you post-certified?
Yes.
What are your current duties and responsibilities?
I'm a lieutenant over patrol and detectives.
I'm going to draw your attention to a specific date, January 3rd of 2020. Were you working that day?
Yes, I was.
What was your assignment that day?
Help with the execution of a search warrant at the Daybell residence.
The Daybell residence. Can you tell me a little bit more about that?
I believe the address is 202 North, 1900 East.
Okay, and that's in Fremont County.
Yes.
Were other agencies involved in the execution of that warrant?
Yes.
Was FBI, ERT team or ERT on scene?
Yes, I was.
And were you involved in the collection of evidence? Or the initial collection of evidence? I'm sorry.
No, I was not involved in the initial collection.
Who involved or what agency collected initial evidence on the scene?
I wasn't inside the residence when that was going on.
At the end of the search warrant or the end of the execution, were any items found in the home turned over to you?
Yes.
By who?
ERT.
And where were you when you received that property?
Inside the residence.
How were those items packaged?
In evidence bags.
What did you do with them?
I hauled them to my vehicle and Detective Mattingly's vehicle.
What did you do next?
We transported them to the Fremont County Sheriff's Office, and I turned it all over to Detective Mattingly to log into evidence.
Were you involved in the logging of evidence at all?
No.
Judge, that's all I have for this witness.
There won't be any questions from the defense, Judge.
Lieutenant Powell, thank you for being here today. You can be excused